If you have a house for sale and it's not selling in this hot real estate market, I'm sad to say, but it's probably your fault. In this video right here, I'm gonna give you a few reasons why your home isn't selling right now. Okay, so the first one is really gonna tie into two different reasons, which is you have bad photos, but those bad photos usually come from your realtor not getting the right photographer to come over and take the pictures, or they're not getting the right angles, and your realtor not going out and basically advertising or marketing your house the right way just simply because they think the market is so hot they don't really have to do it right now, and just placing the home on the MLS will get the house sold. Now that's a huge misconception, and you want to make sure you speak with your realtor and let them know that, hey, I need you to be doing all that you can to make sure you market this house to as many people as possible. This next one is probably one that your realtor probably talked to you about and probably let you know before you even listed your home, is that you have your house overpriced. I know right now is a hot market and you think you can just throw your house up for any number that you see maybe on Zillow or realtor.com. But even though it's a hot market, people still are understanding that, hey, a lot of these houses are overpriced. So if you are going through and your realtor's already told you, hey, this house is overpriced, but I'll list it just because you want me to, then maybe it's time for you to go back and tell them, all right, I'm ready to lower the price to whatever the comps are saying that it needs to be at. From the price also, you have to understand what other homes are selling for and why they're selling for that, and that's called comps. And one thing that might be inhibiting this home sale is that your house isn't up to date. A lot of times, especially like I said today in this hot real estate market, a lot of people are just placing their house on the market and the house maybe needs $20 or $30, even $40,000 worth of work, but they're thinking, hey, it's a hot market, let me put it on there and try to get a full price offer. And realistically, it doesn't make sense, and some people are getting away with it, but if your house isn't selling, that is one of the main reasons. And last but not least, you might have liens or some type of title problems with your home, and maybe you got your home under contract with another buyer, but you could never close because of all the liens and the title problems that you have. You might want to take your home off the market, clear up those liens, clear up whatever title problems you have, and then place it back on the market and see if you can get it done then. So as I said in the beginning, if your home's not selling right now in this hot market, it's probably your fault, or maybe even the person that you have that's selling your house's fault. But if you are looking to sell your house to a direct home buyer and you don't want to have to go through the hassle of taking pictures, staging, cleaning up your house, trying to find the right comps and anything like that, go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com. We will purchase your house as is, no repairs needed, and we can get it sold on the day that you need. So again, go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com.